Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn on power on sound on the XIAOMI Mi Dash Cam 1S. First thing you need to do is to open XIAOMI Mi Home app. Then scroll sideways to the devices nearby and tap on the Mi Dash Cam 1S image. Tap on the connect to device. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on the settings and tap on the power on sound, and there you can set on or off on the power on sound. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.